Yo, what's up, my people? How y'all doing? Welcome back. This is Devin Baptiste representing Black Diamond FX with some hot fire sauce for you guys. And today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make 15,000. Well, let's correct that. In the process of making $15,000 on this Nasdaq futures trade. All right. I'm almost there. Almost there. Not quite. I got some more I got a few more ticks to go up, but I'm very close. All right. I may just take my profit early, but we'll see. But this is 15,500 to be precise. All right. But who's counting? So let me show you guys. So the first thing I do, if you guys watch any of my other videos, you guys know that I start on the daily time frame, right? And I look at market structure to see which direction the market is moving in. All right. So we see that the market is bullish. That means it's going up. Okay. Now I want you guys to notice something. Because see how every time it go up, then it pulls back. It goes up, pulls down, up, pulls down, right? What happens on these pullbacks before the market continues to go up is we get these certain things called liquidity sweeps, all right? And when we get those liquidity sweeps, I like to take advantage of them. And I'm going to show you guys how. I do this on a daily time frame. It's simple, it's easy. I don't know if you guys ever heard me say that God gave me a dream of a strategy to use, but this pretty much is the dream. All right, liquidity sweeps. God told me in a dream I need to be trading liquidity sweeps. And ever since I've been trading liquidity sweeps, man, I've been killing it, right? I'm talking about killing it. So I believe God gives us gifts to share with others, to help others, right? So this is my way of helping you guys, offering you guys this value right here on YouTube. So before we continue, and I share this hot sauce, this fire sauce with you guys, I need you to go hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and show some love to Black Diamond FX. All right. So check this out. What I do, I look for my liquidity sweeps, right? So as you can see, price pulls back. And right before price starts to come up, we get this spike candle right here. This spike candle is actually the liquidity sweep. All right. And it sweeps out liquidity. And that's why I do this on a daily time frame, because the higher time frames hold much more weight than those lower time frames. All right. So if we take a look at it, let's go over here to where I actually found the trade. Okay. So there was this liquidity sweep here. Boom. All right. See that spike candle right there? All right. Now, if I go down to the 12-hour chart, let's take a look at what we got. See, this was the sweep, right? This was the liquidity sweep. Price left. Boom. I could have taken this trade, but I didn't because I didn't catch it in time. But look what happened. Price left. Okay. We broke structure here. Once we break structure above these highs. Now, a break of structure, I want you guys, if you don't fully understand what breaker structure and a liquidity sweep is, I have a video on breaker structure versus liquidity sweep. Go take a look at it. But I'm gonna do a brief explanation here. Breaker structure, all it is, you get the high, all right, and the candle break and close above it. All right. Liquidity sweep, if we get this high and then a wick and the candle close below it, that's what I look at as liquidity sweeps. Somebody else, another tutor, another teacher may define it differently, but it works for me. And I do very well with it. All right. I'm not one of those flashy traders, but trust me, I do very well. All right. So check this out. Notice how when we get the sweep, price leaves. All right. Price leaves, take off. We get breaker structure. Price comes back, taps into. See, we left fair value gap right here. On top of that, with this zone or this order block or point of interest. Look what happens. Taps into it. Bang. This was our entry right here. Let's go down to a lower time frame. Let's look at the 4-hour. All right. And here we can see it. Okay. Now, here on the 4-hour, you see that this came back down. Don't even worry about that. All right, this came back down. All right, and it came back down to here. All right, because the reason I say don't worry about it is because even though it mitigated, this long wick mitigated this fair value gap that was here, it came back down and gave us another opportunity over here. Check it out. Let's go to the 1. All right. And here we can see on the 1 hour chart. Check it out. Same thing. Price came back down. Now, this was the initial mitigation here. All right. No, this was the one. It came, swept liquidity. All right. And look, see, remember I said it came back and mitigated this fair value gap. See this big fair value gap? And look at this wick. Boom. But look what happened. Gave us another opportunity right over here. See fair value gap between here and up here. All right. And then look what happened. Boom. Came wick down, mitigated it. Okay. And how do I find my target? Do you see this Fibonacci, right? So I go from this low to this previous high right here. All right. And I use what's called standard deviation projections. If you guys don't know what standard deviation projection is, look at my videos. I have several videos on it. Check your boy out. All right. It'll explain it to you how to use it. It'll give you the levels, the standard deviation levels for your projections. All right. Check this out, man. Look at that. Y'all watching this live, just to let y'all know this is happening live. This ain't no back testing. This ain't no what happened earlier or what happened last night. This is happening live. Y'all see this happening live. This is a trade that I am currently in. All right. 15,000 up. Once it hit here, I'm already up big right here. But once it hit this 15,500, that's from this morning. That's from here. It's actually from here. From here. That was 10 o'clock. Wait, 20? Is that 10 o'clock? Wait, no. It was from, it was from here. This was last night. This was, what time last night? So yeah, I've been holding it for a while. All right. Yeah, and this is only 2 contracts. All right. But check 15,000, man. Not 100, 15,000. All right, but check it out. Now watch my standard deviation projections video, and it'll show you exactly how to find those levels, right? So what you see right here is I aim for internal liquidity, and this is actually a 12-hour fair value gap. If we go to the 12-hour chart, boom, right there. Because what I do is I start on a daily, and then I go down, see what the 12 look like. Then I split it in half with the 6. I split it in half with the 3, and then the 9, just to kind of see what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? Like I want to see what everything looks like. All right. But that's how I do this. And that's how I'm able to find these trades and bring out this value, man. And before I log off, I just want to say, look at that. 13 points away. Come on, man. All right. But I just want to give credit where credit is due, and that's to the Almighty God, because without him, I would not have been able to learn this. I would not have been able to do this. I would still be bouncing back and forth, trying to figure this trading thing out. You know what I'm saying? And I thank God for it. All right. And if you guys want to learn even more in depth with Black Diamond FX, check it out. I'm going to drop my info for you guys. All right. First of all, you can visit my website at, come on. All right. My website is www.blackdiamondfx.com. All right. You can email me, blackdiamondfx@yahoo.com, or message me on Instagram at blackdiamond 1_1_. It's important that you do 1_ because there's somebody on Instagram trying to copy me, trying to copy my account. Guess what? They can copy my account, but they can't copy my skills unless they pay me. So either way, they got to come see me. But I don't want you guys to get scammed. So it's 1_. If this underscore line looks a bit long, then it's not me. This is me right here. Eventually, I'm going to get the verification, but I don't really want it right now. All right. But so check this out. This is it. This is how you get in touch with me. BlackDiamondFX.com. Email BlackDiamondFX@yahoo.com. I mean Yahoo. Instagram, BlackDiamond_FX. And look what it's doing right now. Boom. I'm gonna just go ahead on and whoosh it, take my profit, and call it a day. $15,000. Come on, man. We're gonna turn that down. You know what I'm saying? An extra $500, man, that ain't nothing. All right. But don't forget to click the thumbs up, subscribe, holla at your boy, man. Devin Baptiste, Black Diamond FX. Talk to you guys later. Deuces. Have a great day.